Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Convex Finance, aka CVX, not to be confused with Chevron, and ask the question, would I buy or should you buy, not financial advice, Convex Finance in the bear market? This is installment 73 of 1001. As always, you can see a link to every video in the Would I Buy playlist in the description of this video. And if you like this content, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dive right on into this. Would I buy CVX in the bear market? Well, I'm going to throw a curveball here because Convex meets one of my requirements as to whether or not I would buy that. And if you go back to my initial video in this series, question one, this was actually really close, at least when it was on first on coinmarketcap.com, which is what I count. But was this cryptocurrency created before or after April 14th of 2021? If before, other questions will need to be asked. If after, my answer is almost, key emphasis on the word almost an automatic yes. And that's because newer cryptocurrencies have a tendency of outperforming older cryptocurrencies. And so we look at the Convex chart here and we can see, at least when they got on CoinMarketCap, very close to the cutoff date, May of 2021. They probably did launch before April 14th, but by the definition of this series, I would count this as an after April 14th of 2021 crypto. And so my answer should be yes. But the audible is that this is not a cryptocurrency that I would buy in the bear market. And so why is that? Well, you go to Convex, their website, Convex Finance. Well, I mean, what you'll find is that it looks a lot like a whole lot of other cryptocurrency websites, platforms that we've already reviewed. You can stake cryptocurrencies and earn rewards. And so the primary focus for Convex is Curve. What they want is as much staked as possible. And the focus here is with Curve. And so what's the deal with that? That should be something that I'd be generally excited about. But go to coinmarketcap.com's description. I can't find a better one to describe this because it's just really interesting. I am fascinated by this because look, they have $4.2 billion locked. And so it's not like this is a joke of a cryptocurrency or anything. This is something that is to be taken seriously. But let's take a look at this. Convex Finance is a DeFi protocol that allows Curve liquidity providers to earn a share of trading fees on Curve without staking liquidity there, Instead, LPs can stake with Convex and receive boosted CRV and liquidity mining rewards. This provides CRV stakers with better capital efficiency and positions Convex Finance as an important player in the Curve wars. And so what are the Curve wars? You can click the link here if you want to know more about the Curve wars, but there is a war among trying to get control of Curve Finance, of the exchange. And so Convex has entered a competitive race to obtain as much control as possible of the Curve Finance stablecoin. And so they want you to give them your assets. I mean, you get rewards for it. And so it's not like you're just giving it to them, but you get rewards. You give them your assets so that they can be a bigger player in the quote unquote Curve wars. The more CRV tokens a protocol has, the more influence it has over interest rates on Curve, which is the largest DEX in the world by TVL, total value locked. Consequently, the Curve wars are an ongoing race for influences of what is most probably the most important protocol in DeFi. And so the Curve wars, I'm not going to talk about the Curve wars. I am going to talk about Convex, and I'm going to take a look at their tokenomics. But here's the deal. If you love CRV, if you are a part of Convex, of CVX, God bless you. I hope that you do very well for yourself. I think that there is something that you are more concerned about than the price of your own cryptocurrency. And that is, if you're a founder, if you're a member of CVX, then you want control of Curve. And I wish you all the best. I don't have a player in the race, but that's just not something that I am interested in. I want to see a cryptocurrency, a platform that is interested in developing. I want to see the future. I want to see glimpses of what is the real world use case on the blockchain. And, you know, for you guys with CVX, I can see it very clearly, and it's fine. It's fine for you to be doing what you're doing. Personally, I'd rather go in a different direction. I don't think that really hurts your feelings, does it? You know, but anyway, if you are interested in CVX, I mean, there's some things to look at here. And so the first thing that I want to look at, of course, is the tokenomics. Not the first thing, but like one of the first things is the tokenomics here. And you can see their circulating supply. So we go to CoinMarketCap, go back to coinmarketcap.com, and you can see a max supply of 100 million. As far as I can tell, that is a hard cap. CVX, so it won't go above that. You know, I don't know about their burning mechanisms. They could burn plenty, but their circulating supply is about 75% of that. Now that's not bad. But if you look at over the last year, you can see quite a leap in their circulating supply from about 50 million to 74 million, which, all right, for sure, that's a 50% increase in the total supply of CVX, but there's no way it's going to continue at that rate because eventually, yes, it does have to flatline. It is actually impossible for CVX to continue to increase at 50% at this point. And so what does this have to do with? Well, here is the chart here. So CVX minted per CRV earned. You can see the ratio it produces over time until all the CVX is minted. And so we are right about here if you're following my mouse. And it's going to get aggressive, and then it's just going to completely flatline. At this point, it's like, you know, CVX, it won't be inflationary at all. Those tokenomics in that regard, as far as how inflationary it is, will be pretty fantastic. And so that's wonderful. In the moment, you've got to pay attention to the supply dynamics of CVX. It's just, it is what it is right now. They have a lot of different cryptocurrencies. So you don't actually earn CRV, you earned tokenized CRV, but then there's other cryptocurrencies in play here that you earn, and that's all good. It's fine. So what should I say about this? How involved are you in the curve wars? How convinced are you that CVX is going to win that or to be the biggest player or a major player in that? I mean, I would assume with $4.2 billion locked, they already are. I have no interest in the curve wars or getting involved in it or investing in a cryptocurrency that is involved in it. And it's fine. It's fine. Maybe I'm crazy though. Maybe you have found the next gem that's going to do a 100x and I'm going to miss out big time. I would be shocked to see Curve get to a $40 billion, $50 billion market cap, but not Curve, Convex. But anything is possible in the words of Kevin Garnett after the Celtics won the 2008 championship. Anyway, that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week, and I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.